Do you want to read my book, Numbers 1 to 20 in Spanish with me? Yay! I'm so excited. Can you say uno? Uno. Uno in Spanish is one. Look at that. One kitty cat. El gato. Un gato. Hey, look, he's playing a little guitar. La guitarra. Look, two kitty cats. Can you say dos? Let's count them together. Uno, dos. Look, three kitty cats. Can you say tres? Tres. Let's count them together. Uno, dos, tres. Yay! Hey, we've got four kitty cats. Let's count them together. But first, can you say cuatro? Yay! Let's count them. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Oh my goodness, you did it. Hey, can you say cinco? That's five in Spanish. Let's count all these silly little kitty cats together. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Yay! Hey, look, it's six kitty cats. Can you say seis? Let's count them together. Uno, dos, tres. Sorry, I'm getting way too excited. Let's count them together. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. Yay! Hey, let's count to 7. Can you say siete? Siete. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. Let's count to 8 in Spanish. Can you say ocho? All right, let's count them. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho. Let's count to 9 in Spanish. Can you say nueve? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve. Guess what? We made it all the way to 10. I knew you could do it. Let's count to 10 in Spanish. Can you say diez? Diez. Here we go. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Yay! Look, 11 kitty cats. Can we count that far? Let's try it. First, can you say once? Yay! Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, once. Let's count to 12 in Spanish. Can you say doce? Doce. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, once, doce. Yay! Can you say trece? Trece. That's 13 in Spanish. Let's count them. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, once, doce, trece. Yay! Can you say catorce? Catorce. That's 14 in Spanish. Let's count them together. Keep going. I know you can do it. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, once, doce, trece, catorce. Yay! 15 in Spanish is quince. Can you say quince? Let's count them together. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, once, doce, trece, catorce, quince. 16 kitty cats. Look at all these kitty cats. So many silly little gatos. Let's count them all together. 16 is dieciséis. Can you say dieciséis? Yay! Here we go. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, once, doce, trece, catorce, quince, dieciséis. Look at him. He's way up here saying, hey, hola, hola, beep, 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 meow, meow, meow. 17 kitty cats. Can you say diecisiete? Here we go. Let's count them together. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez, once, doce, trece, catorce, quince, dieciséis, diecisiete. Can you say 18? That's 18. Look at these little goldfish. They're jumping. I wonder if those kitty cats are going to eat any goldfish too. Hey, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19 is 19. Can you say 19? Let's count all these silly kitty cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Guess what? What comes next? We made it all the way to 20. 20. Can you say 20? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 20! Yay! You did it! I'm so proud of you. Buen trabajo. Good work. Gracias. Thank you.